Hey everybody, welcome to Simple, Cheap, and Easy DIYs by Simple DIYer. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. As always, you can check the description box for the list of items used. First, we're going to start off this metal tray. I got this at the Goodwill for $2.12. Next, we're going to use the Waverly chalk paint in white to paint the entire tin. Next, we're going to take nautical rope, which I got at the Dollar Tree, and we're just going to cover the top part of the tray as well as the handles. I like using hot glue because it's quicker when I make the videos, but you can do a combination of E6000 and hot glue for a permanent hold. You can always use more glue to hold on the rope for a more secure hold. I always just use a little bit because I like to reuse my items. And the farmhouse tray is complete. This costed $3.12, not counting the paint. For the second project, I'm going to be using this glass vase, which I got at the Salvation Army, and it was half off, so it was $1.50. Now, using this yellow oxide paint that I got at Dollar Tree, we're going to cover the whole vase. taking the same nautical rope, we're just going to cover from the base of the vase to the top. Unfortunately, I didn't have enough nautical rope to complete the vase, so I went ahead and used this twine, which I got at the Dollar Tree as well, to finish the top. And now your BeeHive vase is complete. Next, I'm going to take these bee buttons, which I got at Hobby Lobby with the 40% off coupon. I believe it was about $1.50. And we're just going to glue these to the side of the vase. And now your BeeHive vase is complete with the little bees. I got these flowers at the Dollar Tree, but you can add any of your favorite flowers in the vase. And here's the completed project. This BeeHive vase and farmhouse tray will look great added into your spring decor. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, you can give it a big thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you can see every time that I upload a new video. As always, you can leave me a comment below and let me know what you want to see next. Until next time, have a great day.